Hi, I'm Emma. Today I'll show you how to quickly identify and unfollow fake following on X using Circleboom Twitter. First, log into your Circleboom Twitter dashboard. On the left side menu, click on Followers, Following Management, and Analytics. Then select All Your Following. Circleboom will load your entire following list and display detailed metrics for each account, including tweet count, join date, follower and following numbers, follow ratio, and activity level. Then at the top of the page, click on Filter Options. Inside the filter panel, go to the Follower Quality section. Select Fake and Spam and enable Show Only. You can also adjust additional quality filters depending on how strict you want your cleanup to be. After setting your filters, click to apply them. Now, Circleboom shows only fake and low quality accounts from your following list. After that, review the filtered results. You'll see each account clearly labeled with engagement and activity indicators. Use the checkboxes on the left to select the accounts you want to remove. You can select multiple profiles at once. Once you've made your selection, click the red Unfollow button at the top of the list. Then Circleboom will show a confirmation pop-up. Click Unfollow Selected Profiles to confirm. Circleboom will process the unfollow requests in bulk, so you don't have to manually unfollow accounts one by one. To keep your timeline clean, repeat this process about once a month, especially after growth spikes or viral posts. Start with fake and low value accounts, then move on to inactive ones. This keeps your feed focused without overdoing it. Your following list shapes your entire X experience. When you remove fake and low quality accounts, your timeline gets cleaner, your signals get clearer, and your content discovery improves. That's it. Quick, clean, and done. Happy circle booming.